Hello there, I am Ryan Slaughter, a research assistant here at OSU South Centers, located in Piketon, Ohio. Today we are standing in our research and extension vineyard. It is one of 3 that OSU has, and it's funded through Ohio Grape Industries. So with the purpose of research and extension. So what we're working on today is actually installing some bird netting. Now we've already put some net on a couple weeks ago on our Minnesota varieties. They are one of our earliest maturing varieties here at our vineyard. We have 13 different varieties of wine grapes. So we've already got the net on those a couple weeks ago because they started to color up. And the birds particularly love those Minnesota varieties. They're a little bit smaller berry size compared to the others, and the skin's a little bit thinner, and I suspect that's why the birds really like those. But as you can see here, this is one piece of net draped over the top of the canopy. What we use is a tractor attachment called a netter getter that installs the net over top of the plants, and then we come back through after that's done and clip the bottom of the net together with these little plastic C-clips. And we try to stick those every couple feet to keep the gap closed underneath, because what we've seen is actually some birds will hop up underneath the net and get in those holes, and then they've got access to the fruit. And raccoons will take advantage of that as well. I'll show you how that netter getter operates, but first I want to go up and take a look at something new that we have here. So let's walk up there. All right, here we are. Well, what we've seen anyways, doing some research here and talking to lots of different folks that are raising grapes, is there's a number of ways to prevent bird damage to your grapes. Nets are obviously one of those ways. You can use chemical controls, you can use those inflatable tube men, you can use bird cannons, but in most of those respects, after a while, the birds tend to get used to those things. And we have found that the net is the most consistently successful thing to keep birds from doing damage to your grapes. But while we're here standing next to this is something new that we're working on this year. This is actually a laser bird deterrent. We purchased this unit from the University of Rhode Island and Dr. Rebecca Brown. Dr. Brown and her team have developed and tested this unit on sweet corn and blueberries and have seen some pretty promising results with preventing birds from damaging those goods. So what this thing actually does is there is a laser pointer in the bottom of this unit that you see up there, and it rotates in a full circle, 360 degrees, but it also is programmed to randomly stop and kind of wobble. So that the birds do not get used to any sort of pattern that it has. And the idea is that the laser, once it comes in contact with a bird, the bird feels that laser and then flies away. It's called hazing. This unit here, they've named the laser Scarecrow, and I'm actually going to turn it on for you guys, and you can kind of come in close and take a look at how it operates. You can see that it's spinning around in the circle and kind of stopping and shaking around a little bit. And that's pretty much the gist of it. All right, well, now that we've taken a look at this, let's go hop back on the tractor and I'll show you how that netter getter operates. All right, well, here is the netter getter. It's hooked up to our tractor, as you can see here. The way this thing operates is here is the spool with the net on it that you can see. In this stage here, it's in free spool, so this freely turns, and you fish this piece of net up and through this piece up here, and then you'll see in the video that the net then goes over top of the canopy, and the student workers that we have are spreading the net out. Now this is also for install, but also to take it off at the end of the season. It's a little bit different in that respect. This piece right here gets moved up to the front. The net then gets fed back up through that and then down through these 2 pieces here, and this arm, once you hook it up to the hydraulic system, actually moves back and forth and distributes that net all the way across the spool so that it's even. So it's used for install and taking the net off. let's hop on the tractor and we'll put some on. Alrighty, well, we're all finished with that process. What we'll do next is go through and clip the bottoms of the net together, and then we're all done. After that, it's grape harvest. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Hopefully we'll have an update for that laser Scarecrow to come later in the season. Thanks for watching.